Pause the video and have a go at expanding and simplifying the two examples that are coming up now. Then restart the video to see the step-by-step solution for both examples. This 2 will multiply the 3x and this will give 6x. The 2 will then multiply the +1 and this will give +2. The +3 will then multiply the 6x and this will give +18x. The +3 will then multiply the -2 and this will give us -6. These are like terms and these are like terms. We now group the like terms together and we can see that these two are then added to each other because they're like, and that will give us 24x. These are like terms and 2 minus 6, well, that is -4 and that is placed here. So we can see that this expands and simplifies to this. I could take this to a further step for simplification, and that would involve factorization, which I'm not covering in this video. But it is acceptable to see that this can be rewritten as shown here, because this 4 times the 6x will give you 24x, and the 4 times the -1 will give you -4. So this is an acceptable additional step, but it does involve factorization, which I'll be covering later. Take the 2 and multiply the 3x to give 6x. The 2 then multiplies the +1 to give +2. You then take the -3 to multiply the 6x, and this will give -18x. The -3 will then multiply the -2, and this will give +6. Remember, a minus times a minus gives a plus. You then can see we have like terms here and like terms here. Reorganize so the like terms are put next to each other. If you look at this and you perform the calculation, you will get -12x, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So you can see that this will expand and simplify to this. We can take this one more step. This will factorize to what you see here, because if you take this -4 and multiply the 3x, you will get the -12x. And if you take the -4 and multiply the -2, you will get +8. So we can take this further using factorization, which is not what this video is really about. That's why I initially stopped at this step.